Turning effect of force. We have written so many effects we read, like changing shape, changing speed, changing the direction, changing the body from rest to motion, changing the motion to rest. These are the effects of force we read. Now, turning effect of force means, suppose a body is free, not know where it is joined, then what will happen? When you apply the force, generally we will observe that the body, whole body move from one point to another point. That we call it as a translatory motion. The body is under translatory motion. But suppose the body is pivoted. Example, you can see here, your book is pivoted here. This is joint here. When they apply force here, in spite of moving from one place to another, it gives a turning effect. It turns about this axis, it turns. This is called as the turning effect of force. Similarly, suppose I open a bottle cap you can see. I am applying the force here. It is turns, not moving from one place to another. If it will be not, suppose your house door, when you are applying by handle, you are applying the force. What happened? It rotates about its hinge. So these are called as the turning effect of force. However, if you push the door, if you suppose the hinges are not there, imagine you will push your door, what will happen? Entire door will fall down, but it is not happening because of the presence of the hinge. So this gives the turning effect of force. Okay. Suppose your cycle pedal, you are applying the force on the pedal. Suppose it is rotating about the axle in the pedal. Yes or no? Your cycle handle, you are applying the force handle. Suppose middle of that road, axle will not there. Then what will happen? Will it rotate? No. Okay. Understood or not? Yes. Okay. These all cases. Suppose you are opening a nut by using a spanner. This is a nut. Surface of the nut I am drawing the diagram. You use a spanner to open it. Spanner. This is attached. Yes. Like this we open. That is also turning effect of force. So what is turning effect of force? Please write down. Please write it. Understood now? If an object is pivoted at a point, then the force rotates the object about the axis, and that is called as the turning effect of force. Even like your car or bus steerings, these all are the examples of a turning effect of force. Yes. When a body is pivoted at a point, and applied force then it rotates about the point. This is called turning effect of force. Or moment of force. Or it is called as a moment of force. Moment due to the force or moment of force. Are you clear? Now we will discuss factors affecting to the turning effect of the force. Factors affecting or factors on which turning effect depends. Clear? See, there are two factors. Before one is the magnitude of force. Second is the perpendicular distance between the pivoted point to the point of force applied. Perpendicular distance between pivoted point and point of force applied. First write down, then I'll explain about this. Quick, make it fast. Okay. Okay. Now, what is magnitude? Magnitude means amount of the force. Suppose force is more. Suppose you apply more force. Suppose you open the door only. Take an example of a door. When you are applying more force, the door opens very fast. Fast it opens, turning gives more swing, soon it gives starts. Suddenly you will apply the force, more force will apply means it will very quickly to move. That means the turning effect is more that cases. Clear? Clear? Next point is that perpendicular distance means next point is perpendicular distance between the pivoted point and the point of applied force. Suppose if you try to open that door, open up your door by applying the force from the middle, then you require more force, or from the handle where it is given. Maximum of your cycling, just your handle, you are changing the direction of the handle. When you change the direction, you apply the force handle, you are holding the handle at the axis. Now try to hold the cycle handle middle and try to turn. It will take more, it requires more force. Got my point? As suppose you are, I am erasing here. Suppose you may see your sugarcane juice grinding there. What they do? The handle is fixed at the edge here. They rotate about this. Yes or no? Have you seen or not? Where sugarcane juice they prepare, that place. Have you seen or not? Why it is that? Suppose this one will be in middle, then they require more force, because turning effect will be less because of the distance decreases here to here. This is the pivot point, this is the force applied point. Even your cycle pedal, suppose your cycle pedals will become small, then you need to apply more force, because turning effect will be less because distance will be decreased. So force will increase means it will match that more turning effect required. Got my point? So with increasing of force, turning effect increases. With the increasing of the distance, turning effect increases. So I can write turning effect is equal to turning effect of force is equal to force into perpendicular distance. This distance symbol perpendicular. Okay, force multiplied with the perpendicular distance. Hope I am clear. Now unit of turning effect of force or moment of force. Unit of turning effect of force or moment of force. What is the turning effect? Turning effect is denoted by tau, that symbol. Okay, that is moment of force m taken. Moment of force m is equal to force into distance, perpendicular distance. What is the SI unit of force? Newton. Now only we read What is the SI unit of distance? Distance is meter. So Newton meter is the SI unit. Newton is the SI unit of turning effect of force. Similarly, CGS unit, this is SI unit. Now CGS unit. Same, moment is equal to force into displacement, distance. Force is dyne here. Distance is a centimeter. Dyne centimeter. Dyne centimeter. Clear?